Look up at the night sky and let your eyes wander across the vast expanse of twinkling lights. Amidst this cosmic tapestry, you might spot a familiar pattern of stars that has guided and inspired humanity for millennia. This is Orion, one of the most recognizable constellations in the night sky, known for its distinctive shape and bright stars. Ancient cultures across the world saw a mighty hunter in these stars, with his club raised high and his belt gleaming brightly. They wove myths and legends around this celestial figure, seeing in him a symbol of strength and bravery. Orion is particularly easy to find in the winter sky in the northern hemisphere, where it dominates the night with its striking presence. This constellation is home to many fascinating celestial objects, including vibrant nebulae, dense star clusters, and a variety of stars at different stages of their life cycles. Among these stars is one that stands out, a bright red supergiant nearing the end of its life, known as Betelgeuse. But Orion is more than just a pretty pattern in the sky. It serves as a window into the vastness of space and the intricate life cycle of stars. Within Orion's borders, stars are born in stellar nurseries, live out their lives in brilliant displays of light, and eventually die in spectacular explosions only to give rise to new generations of stars and planets. The time-lapse of Orion reveals the dynamic nature of the cosmos, where change is the only constant. Stars within this constellation are in a perpetual dance of creation and destruction. This cycle of star birth and death is a reminder of the ever-evolving universe we inhabit. Each generation of stars contributes to the formation of new celestial bodies, enriching the cosmos with their remnants. One star in particular stands out in this celestial tableau, a red supergiant named Betelgeuse. This massive star is nearing the end of its life and will one day explode in a supernova, leaving behind a legacy that will shape the future of the cosmos. Betelgeuse marks the right shoulder of the celestial hunter Orion. This star is one of the most prominent features in the night sky, easily identifiable even to amateur stargazers. It's hard to miss this brilliant star, even with the naked eye, as it shines with a distinctive reddish hue. This unique color is due to its relatively cool surface temperature compared to other stars. But Betelgeuse is more than just a bright light in the sky. It's a window into the past and future of stellar evolution, offering clues about the life cycles of stars. It's a supergiant star, hundreds of times larger than our own sun. To put it in perspective, if Betelgeuse were placed at the center of our solar system, its outer layers would extend beyond the orbit of Mars. If Betelgeuse were to replace our sun, it would engulf all the inner planets, including Earth. This gives us a sense of its immense size and the scale of the universe. Betelgeuse is classified as a red supergiant because of its color and size. These stars are among the largest in the universe, both in terms of volume and luminosity. As stars age and consume most of their hydrogen fuel, they expand and cool, turning a reddish color. This process is a natural part of a star's life cycle, marking the transition from a main sequence star to a red supergiant. Betelgeuse is in this phase now, nearing the end of its stellar life. Eventually, it will explode in a spectacular supernova, scattering its elements across the cosmos. This makes it a fascinating object for astronomers, who can study it to learn more about the life cycle of stars. Observing Betelgeuse helps scientists understand the processes that govern stellar evolution and the eventual fate of massive stars. When Betelgeuse finally goes supernova, it will be one of the most spectacular events visible from Earth, outshining even the full moon for a brief period. The explosion will disperse elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron into space, contributing to the formation of new stars and planets. This cycle of birth, death, and rebirth is what makes the universe so dynamic and ever-changing. So next time you gaze up at the night sky and spot the reddish glow of Betelgeuse, remember that you're looking at a giant nearing the end of its life, a cosmic event that will one day light up our sky in a blaze of glory. Betelgeuse's enormous size and reddish glow are telltale signs of its advanced age. The star is running out of fuel and its core is becoming increasingly unstable. This instability will eventually lead to a spectacular event, a supernova explosion. When this happens, Betelgeuse will briefly outshine all other stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The anticipation of Betelgeuse's supernova has astronomers on the edge of their seats. It's not every day that we get to witness such a dramatic event in our cosmic neighborhood. While we don't know exactly when Betelgeuse will explode, it could be any time in the next 100,000 years, which is a blink of an eye in cosmic terms. When a star explodes, the spectacular demise. When Betelgeuse finally goes supernova, it will be a sight to behold. This red supergiant star, located about 642 light-years away from Earth, has been a subject of fascination for astronomers for centuries. Its impending explosion is not just a matter of if, but when. The explosion will release an immense amount of energy, briefly outshining all other stars in our galaxy. Imagine a light so bright that it can be seen across vast cosmic distances, illuminating the night sky like a second sun. The light from the supernova will be visible from Earth even during the day. This rare celestial event will captivate skywatchers and scientists alike, offering a unique opportunity to study the life cycle of stars. But don't worry, Earth is at a safe distance from Betelgeuse, so the explosion won't pose any threat to our planet. The supernova will be far enough away that we can safely observe its brilliance without any harmful effects. The supernova will be more than just a visual spectacle. It will be a significant event in the cosmos, marking the end of one star's life and the beginning of new cosmic phenomena. It will be a powerful cosmic event that will send shockwaves through the interstellar medium. These shockwaves will travel through space, influencing the environment around them in profound ways. These shockwaves will compress nearby clouds of gas and dust, potentially triggering the formation of new stars and planetary systems. The death of Betelgeuse will thus give birth to new celestial bodies, continuing the cycle of creation and destruction that defines our universe. This spectacular demise will be a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos, a testament to the incredible forces at play in the universe. A safe distance, Earth and the supernova. Betelgeuse's eventual explosion will be a dramatic event, but it poses no threat to life on Earth whatsoever. The supernova's shockwaves and radiation will dissipate over vast distances, losing their intensity. While we will experience an incredible increase in brightness, we are far enough away that the harmful effects will be negligible. In fact, the supernova will offer a unique opportunity for scientific study and observation. Astronomers will be able to observe the explosion across the electromagnetic spectrum, gaining unprecedented insights into the processes that occur during a star's death throes. Betelgeuse through the ages, myths and legends. Betelgeuse has captivated humans for centuries. Its reddish hue and prominent position in Orion have made it a focal point of myths and legends across different cultures. Some ancient cultures associated Betelgeuse with war or death due to its color. Others saw it as a celestial protector or a symbol of good fortune. These diverse interpretations highlight the human tendency to find meaning and stories in the patterns we see in the natural world. Betelgeuse, with its captivating presence in the night sky, has served as a blank canvas for human imagination for millennia. From supernova to nebula, a cosmic rebirth. Betelgeuse's story doesn't end with its supernova. The explosion will scatter the star's outer layers into space, creating a vast, expanding cloud of gas and dust known as a supernova remnant. This remnant will be visible for thousands of years, a testament to the star's dramatic demise. But even in death, there is creation. The material ejected from Betelgeuse will eventually cool and coalesce, providing the raw ingredients for new generations of stars and planets. In this way, Betelgeuse's death will sow the seeds for future life in the cosmos, continuing the cycle of stellar evolution.